Subscribe my Techy Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hey guys, welcome to my Techy Bro YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you that how you can install Kali Linux on your VirtualBox. So follow my steps. Open VirtualBox. Click on new, give the name. I am going to give Kali Linux. Select the distribution. I am going to select Debian 64-bit. Click on next. I am going to use 1 GB of RAM. You can increase or decrease according to your need. Leave it as it is. Click on next. Click on next. I am going to give it 20 GB. Click on create. Come to the settings. Click on empty and select the ISO image from here. Click on open, click on OK, and then click on start. Come to the graphical install, hit enter. Don't show this message again, cancel it. Select your language. I am going to select English. Click on I am going to select India. My location American English. Okay, no problem. Click on continue. Click on continue. Give your password. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on continue. Leave as it is. Click on yes. Then click on continue. Now it will take some time. Click on no, then click continue. Click continue and select your hard disk and then click continue. So now it is installing grub bootloader on your hard disk. Now installation is complete. Click on continue. Hit enter. Type root here and your password. So we have successfully installed Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So this is how you can install Kali Linux on your VirtualBox. If you have any problem, just comment below and I will help you as much as I can. Thanks for watching and goodbye.